Alright, you guys, I made it inside a Marshall. So look, the hot pink and like the green. I was expecting, I feel like this is gonna be like Halloween colors so far. Okay, $25. It is really hollow. I thought it would have a little bit of weight to it. I was afraid to take it down. But it's 25. Woo! I like how it's a little darker right there. Here's one little dark. Okay. And you know, if you don't like the painting, I feel like definitely paint it up more if you want. But $25. Okay. I want to get to this guy working out right here on like the Peloton. $17. That is so funny. Okay. And look at this one. Oh, instead of 3 yard stakes. This one's going to be by Martha Stewart. So get 3 in here. I'm not going to bring it down. It is plastic though. They are plastic. We have the plushie witch with her little friend Ghost. She is bottom heavy, like a little sandbag. $4.15. And more of these ghosts by Martha. They do light up. They do have a 3-pack in Home Goods. I will tell you that. Now I know we've seen this lady before. Her eyes do light up white. We got the Bone Daddy couple. The Mummy Cat is still around. 17. A little solar lantern. And like the Boo Cake. The Boo Cake is 8. Okay. By Moonlight Manor. Let me bring out the wizard. That's kind of funny actually. $10. I have not seen the wizard. Look, he's a little wizard.
That's weird.
Kinda, yeah, different, right? And look at Frank with the bat bow and the girl. They are both 15.
I don't think of wizards in Halloween. That's a weird one.
By Bella Lux. Look at the cheese board. Ooh, $17. Now this is all year round. I will leave that all year round. It's pretty. It's heavy marble. Happy Halloween. On your wooden sign. This is 10. We got the little fun ghost right there. And then we have this witch. And the glasses, 15, or ghosts with the, reminds me of Harry Potter, 15. The couple ghosts. Did they come apart? No. 17. This one in the back's a little different. That's 17. And the bat one, $12.99. That little cute bat guy down here, he is $12.99. Look at him. And his cute bows. And then that one has the lollipop for $12.99. The heart one with the charms, I feel like was $12.99. More candles, haunted house, howling moon, and the lids. Their faces are different. Let me show you. It smells like men's aftershave. Just a skull. Can you smell it? I mean, it smells good.
Yeah, it is.
You couldn't smell it.
Oh.
And then Howling Moon. Let me show you this one. I'm not sure if this one changes. Yeah, kind of like the ones from the Dollar Tree. But this one smells pretty good if you like that. Kind of like a man. They both smell the same actually. And this one doesn't light up. Actually, it does. $15. Those lights will light up. All the fun ghosts. Oh, and the garland by Candy Corn Lane. This one's 15. Ghost, bat, pumpkin, and ghost. That's a little cute one. Okay, the ghost doily. We've seen that. Those are cute. Pumpkin and bat by the farmhouse is $12.99. And then, okay, this pumpkin one, $8 down here. The pink one by Cupcake and Cashmere, $12.99. And this is like the hippie one, kind of reminds me of Michael's from last year. I don't really care for that. Oh, this comes with that. The mesh. That's funny, actually. That's $12.99. And then this is going to be $10. And then we got the Beanie Ghosts. They are back. The spooky table. Oh, this is the table runner. And they do have the mantle. Okay. Here's what it looks like for $20. That's cute. Okay, this one is new by Rachel Zoe, $35. You get 2 in here to get cherries. And then the drink one. That was it for Halloween. I feel like it's just coming in like little by little. There's a lady, she's all like, oh no, it's too early. I do kind of feel like it a little bit, but it does give me something to look forward to while I make these videos, you know. Until we get sick of it, 20, or until they just stop putting new items out. Okay, Laura Ashley, $49.99. Juicy Home, this is an extra long twin, $25. Okay, again, extra large twin, great for dorm. Which I feel like a lot of people are shopping for dorm stuff, because a lot of the twins are gone. Okay, we have Anne Klein. This is $29.99, a little bucket bag. Get a little card holder. Just a little mini one. A lot of these over the shoulder bags too. These are $29.99. This one's 10. It's a little different brand. Kipling. We have the black, like a purple. Normally they have a yellow one. This could be for school too. Don't see a price on Kipling. They got the juicy one with 2 pockets. Also comes in black. Pretty padded in the back too. This feels like for a young kid though. Or, you know, senior year. You don't need much. $40. Anne Klein. Okay, that is really different for Anne Klein. Normally they have like the symbol on it. It'll say Anne Klein. Now only says it in the back, which I am loving how some of these bags are just changing their name to like in the bottom corner. You know what I mean? Okay, that's cute. Because I'm not a fan of like the whole monogram stuff. Here's a new True Religion for $39.99. Thick strap. It is removable. And then this is $49.99. $49.99. This one, like, oh, I thought it was shells. Oh, it's kind of like mixed shells. This one's $35. It's pretty heavy, actually. Wooden handles. Okay, that's different. Then you have your Wrangler. This is kind of cool too. I like bags like this. $25. $29.99. Steve Madden, $29.99. Not quite. Nope. Vince Camuto on the stick chain. No idea on the price, but it's like a good quality chain belt. You want just simple, basic. $17. Black, white, navy. Steve Madden has the same thing. The beige, $17. Kate Spade, $20. This all white one. Michael Kors. And these are $12.99. These are by Halt Hippie. Some are a little different. So it's like a large moon one. Okay. $17 on this dress by 30. 30-30. This one giving me like Rachel Green vibes, like the style of dresses. Some type of overalls too, like the linen overalls. These are gonna be $20 for the hat, $20 for the denim. Okay, these are $12.99, the Von Dutch. I'm finding a lot of that here in Marshalls and TJ Maxx, especially on the tank tops, but this is in the men department, $12.99. Perfect for school. Something about kind of giving me Ed Hardy graphics. I'm not a fan of this right here. There's a back though. That's kind of cute. Paired up with some denim shorts.
Yeah.
It's cute. Let's see. Rewashed jeans are $20. Simple top $10. That's kind of a cute top too. If you find cute tops like this, they're so much cheaper here than again Urban Outfitters. These are only $10. Alright you guys, I think this might do it for this video. They're stocking the women's clothing, but it's a lot of floral print still, like the button-up ones. We got cherry, the whale. Those are kind of funny. Okay, this is kind of cute. $20 Haunted House fan diffusers, the Snoopy one. Charlie Brown. I feel like we're always gonna find that lately. $20. Anywhere but here. Right, it's kind of funny. Plenty of striped tees here. These are longer in the back, $12.99. They got this kind of dark one, navy blue one. Yeah. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. They got some tropical shorts. We're into that. Looks like they paired up with this shirt. That shirt was $20 by Adrian Papel, if I'm saying that right.